It's my first time showing you guys my baby bangs. I styled my baby bangs today kasi it kept showing. Nakikita ko yung sa TikTok that they style it like this. So, I tried. Enough with the hair. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday. We're vlogging today because I realized na it's already mid-year. I've been living in Manila for 6 months already. I've been living alone in Manila for 6 months. Parang kahapon lang nagkaka-move-in ko lang dito sa apartment ko, pero it's already been 6 months. So for my mid-year, I thought na I should do a mid-year reset. I have a lot of things here na I also would like to share with you guys. Just stuff for organization. And these two para sa cabinets, pang-organize sa mga clothes ko. Honestly, tinatamad na akong ayusin yung mga damit ko kasi nga wala akong paglalagyan. So yeah. But what I discovered under the bed. Can you see that? Like my molds. Okay. Minove ko muna yung table ko. Pero guys, ganito pala kaluwag yung unit ko before. Ayan siya. I was planning to mop. Pero I don't have the energy to do it today. Baka bukas na lang. Okay, ito yung mga nabili ko. May isang pack pa yan. Ayun. So, ito. One of the things that I got from IKEA is this. Ito siya. Isa sa pinakamura na maganda yung quality. Yung ibang sheer curtains doon, very manipis na ayaw ko yung texture niya. May maganda doon, pero 1,400 ata. Inopen ko na yung isang pack. I bought 2 packs. Ito siya. So, gagawin natin today. Maglalagay tayo ng sheer curtains. Bumili rin ako ng yung mga circle thingies. Problem is, how are we going to install it? Medyo lightheaded na ako kasi gutom na ako. Guys, look at the situation. I miscalculated yung nabili ko. Ito pala, it's good for one piece lang ng curtain. So, baka bumalik ako sa IKEA para bumili. And I think mali rin tong nabili ko na paglagay na ito. Doesn't look cute. Pero, let's see muna kung ano magiging itsura kapag may sheer curtains tayo. I'll try to install it ngayon. Oops. Cute siya. Pero feeling ko pag-apat, if I installed it properly and if I styled it properly, it's going to look cute. Pero at the moment, parang it's just there. Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen. And here are the things that I got for like home organization. Some of them are from IKEA as well and Anko. For me, I function well if things are organized, like nasa tamang lugar sila. If nakikita kong organized yung mga bagay-bagay, mas na-encourage akong maging productive or mas parang nakaka-encourage magluto. So yeah, that's why I got these things. I'll just share with you guys kung ano yung mga nabili ko. So let's start. Saan? Siguro what I'll do, I'll share the stuff that I bought while I'm organizing na and while I'm putting things back in place. So, yeah. First thing, gagamitin ko, I got this from Shopee, parang liner. To avoid staining or damaging yung drawers and cabinets kasi nga I'm just renting. Ito yung happy purchase ko. Para sa plates, ma-maximize ko yung space dito sa cabinet. Ito rin, nabili ko from Shopee. Okay. I got this. Kita niyo ba? Parang siyang lagayan. Ano pa ba? Dito sa taas, bumili ako netong rotating something. It's para sa condiments. Kasi kapag nasa likod, pag nasa taas, hindi ko siya maabot. So, plates. Pumili ako ng mga stuff for matcha. And wala pa akong matcha station. Pero siguro eventually I'll be able to build my own matcha station. Pero for now, lagay ko lang muna sila dito. I also bought this one. Ayan. I got this from IKEA. Ang cute lang. Satisfying dito. So, I placed the steak knives here, spoon and fork, mga for cooking stuff. Ayan. Looks nice. Okay, second layer. Scissors. Where are the scissors? Dalawa na yung gunting ko nakawala pa. Gunting, ayun! Ayan. I got this parang 4 plates dapat to. Pero I'm planning to use it for yung mga covers ng pots and pans. My dad got me this. Nice. So nice. Super happy with this kasi ang organized niya na tignan. And ito na-maximize yung space. Merong pot doon. Itong mga to, binili sa akin ng dad ko nung umuwi siya ng Philippines. Pero my problem with this is nag-rust na siya. I think I only used this once. Tapos nag-rust na siya. I don't know why. Pero ito naman, maganda yung quality niya. I'm so happy with this. Pero ito, di ko alam ba't nag-rust na siya. My blenders, tumblers, they're here. And then, andito yung old na pot and pan ko. Okay. Ayan. Diba? Ang saya. What's next? Ito. Uy. Oh. I need to use this kasi lapit na siyang kitchen utensils. I'm still waiting for the utensils holder for the spices. Ayan. Oh, we have these teaspoons pala. And I bought this. I bought a bigger one para sa asin. Kasi I know na mas maraming paggamit ko sa asin, lalo na pag nagmamarinade or naglilinis ako ng mga meats. So, I got this. Para sa soy and suka, bumili ako nitong glass. Ang ganda nga ng quality eh. Hindi ko na-expect na ganito yung quality niya. Yan. Wow! Ang cute niya! Ang ganda tignan. Okay, that's everything that I got. Ito pa, bumili rin ako from IKEA ng mga ng mga wait, mental block na ako. Bumili ako ng mga pamunas. Hand towels. Yun yung mga nabili ko so far. Meron pa. Ito pa. I bought this. Tignan niyo ang ganda niya sa personal kasi meron siya tong texture. Nakikita niyo ba? Para kahit andun siya sa may sink, maganda pa rin tignan. Ayan guys, yun yung mga nabili ko so far. Ano pa ba? Let's take a break muna kasi hindi pa ako kumakain since nagising ako. So let's take a break from cleaning muna. Here's our dinner. Hindi to dinner kasi I want to eat rice and ito palang kakainin ko for today. So, siguro snack. So, we're back here sa old na table natin because I just wanted to sit down and look outside the window. I am almost done with this part of the unit. So, I'll just pick up my laundry, tapos ilalagay ko na yung bed sheets. And then, I still have this part of the unit na sobrang cluttered. Ang dami nakapatong kasi dyan ko lahat linagay yung mga gamit kanina when I was cleaning this part. I really need to make my place presentable kasi tomorrow darating na yung sofa ko. And I paid for the fee wherein they would assemble my sofa here sa unit. Inisip ko na gagawin ko siya on my own for content, pero inisip ko rin na baka after 2 days or 3 days, hindi ko pa rin tapos. And I just feel like I'm already physically exhausted today just by cleaning the unit, and I haven't even deep cleaned everything. Laundry's here. I'm so tired. So I got this cooling pad from IKEA. Ito yung pinaka-ayaw kong ginagawa. Yung pag-change ng beddings. Bigat-bigat ng bed. Yay! Yun lang. Kapag white yung bedsheet ko, nakikita yung color blue. Kita yung blue. Pero sarap ang tulog. Yeah. I got this new. This is supposed to be a duvet cover, pero since warm sa gabi, I don't use the duvet insert na. Yan. I don't use the duvet insert na kasi kapag gabi, hindi na ako nag-aircon. I just use my electric fan. And that's enough to keep me cool at night. Ang satisfying talaga pag galing laundry yung pillowcases, bed sheets. Parang sarap matulog. It looks excessive that I have 5 or 6 pillows. Mas maayos akong nakakatulog kapag may nafe-feel kong may katabi ako. It's got to be my favorite bedding so far. Ganda na tignan. From IKEA, meron siyang cooling side. Yeah. Yan. Ta-da! Here's my bed. And to end our set, guys. Good morning, Manila. So, I woke up around 7 today, and I'm not sure what time my sofa will be delivered today. Kakaroon na tayo ng sofa today. Today is going to be the last day that ganyan yung magiging itsura niya. The sun is shining! The sun is shining, you guys. So, ang bilis kong nakatulog kagabi kasi nakaka-good mood talaga kapag ang bango ng bedsheets mo. Tapos, ang ganda pa ng gising mo. Nakaka-good mood talaga. So, today is going to be a good day, guys. Here's our breakfast for today. And we also made shake. Hey guys, so it's currently 11:58 a.m. and I just received a message from IKEA that my sofa is on its way here. So I'm just waiting for the truck to arrive. Nakatingin ako dito kasi feel ko dito manggagaling yung truck. So I'm waiting. Baka makita ko yung truck. I see a truck. Is that it? Hindi. Sa iba siya pumunta. Masyadong excited eh. Ito pa lang yung electric fan na to. Hindi ko ata na-share. This is from Acer Pure. And legit, ang lakas ng hangin niya. Dito siya nakapeso. Tapos kahit nandito ako sa work table ko, abot na abot ako ng hangin. One of the best buy this year. Kahit na mahal siya, it's worth the investment kasi earlier this month, siya yung nagdala sa akin. Kapag kaya kong hindi mag-AC, hindi ko gagamitin yung AC ko. And this really helped. This electric fan really helped a lot. Hello? They're here. Ano may tutulong ko, Kuya?
Kaya naman.
Sige.
Bale, tutulak ko na lang.
I-pivot mo na lang siya dyan.
Pivot! Pivot!
Part 1 and part 2 po. Part 1 and then part 2. Yung sa assembler po, may dadating po. Bale, separate po kami.
Oh, I see.
Mauna po kaming delivery and then may susunod later.
Okay, okay.
Within this day naman po.
So, here's the sofa. I guess I'll just wait for the assembler. I'm really fighting the urge to open this. But let's just make lunch muna. Ito na daw yung mag-i-install ng sofa. Hindi ko pa nakain yung food ko. Hello. Galing. Fácil pa.